pause for a moment and imagine a world where every problem is a mathematical enigma waiting to be unraveled. Welcome to the realm of Math Olympiad questions, a place where every hurdle is a stepping stone to mathematical prowess. Dive straight in with the first question. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 63. What are the numbers? To solve this, think about the nature of odd numbers. They are always 2 units apart. If we denote the middle number as n, the 3 consecutive odd numbers would be n2 to n and n plus 2. Now the sum of these 3 numbers equals 63. So n2 plus n plus 2 equals 63. Simplifying this equation gives 3 n equals sign 63, and solving for and gives an equal sign 21. So the 3 consecutive odd numbers are 19, 21 and 23. Moving on to the next challenge. A rectangle has an area of 72 square units. Its length is 3 times its width. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? Remember, the area of a rectangle is equal to its length times its width. If the length is 3 times the width, then the area would be width times 3 times width, or 3 times the square of the width. Setting this equal to 72 and solving for width gives a width of 6 units, so the length, being 3 times the width, is 18 units. Therefore, the dimensions of the rectangle are 6 units by 18 units. The final question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 30 units. The length is 9 units longer than the width. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? The perimeter of a rectangle is twice the sum of its length and width. If the length is 9 units longer than the width, then the perimeter is twice the sum of the width and width plus 9 units, or twice the sum of twice the width plus 9 units. Setting this equal to 30 and solving for width gives a width of 6 units. Therefore, the length, being 9 units longer, is 15 units. Thus, the dimensions of the rectangle are 6 units by 15 units. To summarize the solutions, the 3 consecutive odd numbers that sum up to 63 are 19, 21 and 23. The dimensions of the rectangle with an area of 72 square units are 6 units by 18 units. The dimensions of the rectangle with a perimeter of 30 units are 6 units by 15 units. Well done if you've managed to solve these. Math Olympiad questions are an incredible way to sharpen your mathematical abilities. If this piqued your interest, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mathematical brain teasers. Until next time, keep solving and keep growing.